What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're doing well. It's a bit rushed, but we're about to go to the airport, flying to Frankfurt. So, been a hectic morning, getting everything done, as I haven't really packed anything in the meantime, so let's get it.
Sollte der Druck in der Kabine sinken, dann fahren automatisch.
Back. It's the next day, so after flying yesterday, took it quite easy. So now we're about to meet a friend from Stuttgart. He used to live here with me in Darmstadt when I used to live here, and I haven't seen him since, so it's cool.
Yeah, that's fine.
So we have Greg on the vlog. Yeah, we used to train together back when I was living here in 2019. He used to always be training with me at 7 in the morning. Guys, don't be fooled by the sun, it's really cold.
It's fucking cold here.
It's like 0 degrees or minus something.
No, like definitely -2 or so.
So yesterday we had a bit of a problem. Some random guy just decided to show up.
It's cold as fuck.
So yeah, so today is Sunday morning. The weather is like meh. We're doing some work. You know how it is. Entrepreneurs.
Gotta get the money.
Gotta get the money, man. Gotta get the bag. So Leon just flew into Frankfurt yesterday.
I regret it.
Man, it's so cold. It's like -3 degrees. We're on to a good start for the day, so we just had a quick breakfast. We're currently in Darmstadt with some family, so which is super nice. And we'll be hitting the gym later on today and spending some more family time. So with that being said, we'll see you later. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It's Tuesday, December 31st, last day of 2024. I'm with Leon. So yeah, we're going off to Frankfurt. So today here in Germany, the shops are only open till 2. Well, everything is only open till 2, so we're getting coffee at the best place in Frankfurt. A very good...
No, actually it's the best place worldwide.
Yes, Starbucks. Fuck my life.
A few moments later.
Drink review. Oh, that's so sweet.
Tastes like pretty shit.
Is it that bad?
It's very bad.
It is what it is. So you recommend Starbucks then?
Definitely not.
Good morning, guys. It's 2025, January 1st. Yeah, I was just enjoying some family time, some time with this guy. So yeah, anyways, we're still at my aunt's place, spending the last day with family time. We've been doing some work this morning. Wesley is reading a book about how he can grow a beard, because that's one of his goals this year, like how to grow a good beard. Anyways, yeah, it's do nothing day, you know, like doing some light stuff, and just cooking lunch, hitting the gym, probably just go for a shisha in the evening. Yeah, just call it a day. It's like one of these do nothing days, you know. Yeah, then tomorrow we're off to Frankfurt for a few days. I'm in Frankfurt till Saturday early morning. I catch my flight back to Malta. And Wesley, he booked the later flight, so yeah, he will be going to Portugal a bit later. We have a nice few days planned. We're gonna be meeting some friends as well. We'll introduce you to them. Weather today is better, but still cold. It's like still, how much was it this morning? I think it was like 1 degree, but it
feels like -4.
Feels like -4, so super cold. We'll catch you soon.
We're at the most luxurious Michelin star restaurant in Darmstadt.
Yeah, Yeah, so fine dining at a... So before you judge us, this was the only place that was open on New Year's Day, okay?
They
So
also had KFC.
KFC and Pizza Hut are the only two places that are open on New Year's Day. So don't judge us, okay? Thursday, 2nd January, just about midday. We made it back to Frankfurt. So we'll be spending the next 2 days here, currently chilling in Frankfurt. We're staying at the usual, the JW.
So, room is nice, but check the view out, it's even nicer. Oof. So, yeah.
Anyways, we're about to get some coffee
Hey,
and just chill in the city. So,
I'm that same old body with the steez. In a baked outfit, got a shark on the hood of my top and the ape on my tee. Been a minute since I linked with the bro, said link up soon, let's talk over tea. These days it's all about flexing, talk about bro, I'm trying to make this P. I got a text from the bro in Cali telling me sit tight's gonna make me a beat. In a guy for the stylish babe on a stylish date, trying to make me a treat. She tryna talk about rovers, it's over, I'm tryna bag the street.
That's wie geht's dir? Geht's dir gut? Hi, bro.
Big checks and the cash flow speed.
Oh man,
Boys on the block.
Abdi on the vlog, eh?
what's up? We're coming Frankfurt, guys.
Leon and his cigar talk, let's see what
No hop. To the youth, just stay off the violence and make peace, don't worry about crops. I'm just keeping it real, man, you know my dough, trust me, big words to my pops.
And now I say maybe God did that because He wanted me to become a better person, to be able to handle what life has to throw at me. Because God or Allah doesn't give you problems that you can't deal with.
This is written in the Quran.
He throws you challenges to see how you react.
That's it.
I don't neglect it, because that's also bad, because that's what I've done throughout the first few years, and then it comes back to bite you harder than it, you know?
It isn't something about Islam. It's something about how to see the life. You know, like how to fight with the life. You know, because you have to be strong enough.
Not fight, flow with
the
it. Flow with life.
The flow with life. It's better.
Flow with
The
life.
framing is important.
You have to flow with life. I've went through a motorbike crash. What did God want me to take from it?
Yeah.
Take everything as a lesson. Whatever happens in your life, take it with open arms. What can I learn from this? Good, bad.
City.
We love the city.
I love this city.
Good conversation, guys. Beautiful. We went in there at 1:30 p.m.
Yes.
and it's
It's like 5 p.m.
It's like 5. We didn't even see the time go. When you have good quality conversations with good people, good energy, time flies, man. Priceless. This is what good friendship looks like.
Perfect. The perfect picture. Habibi.
Habibi,
Come to Frankfurt.
come to Malta. But yeah, like, you know, it's when you're surrounded by the right people, man. The energy doesn't lie, guys. Energy does not lie. What a good conversation, man.
It was one of the best I ever had in this year. My year already started perfect.
2025,
Yeah, it started really perfect.
Good start to the year, huh?
Of course.
Priceless. Surround yourself with the right people.
I have to say goodbye.
We have to say goodbye.
It was a pleasure to meet you.
Till next time.
Leon, hey, danke dir.
What a good place to be, huh?
Explain to us where we are.
We're at Jamie's Burger.
What about this place?
They have great burgers. I'm going to order the runny egg. Like pretty much always when I'm here.
To be fair, this place is quite good, so.
Don't talk like you know my thing when you're around my thing. I send you to the shops. My bro just came.
How was your burger?
Latest trend and a few odd cops. In a vintage whip, just guidance, they sliding on the creams on top. Hey, baby girl, I got Tino Tetley. Wait, tell me why you never come check me. You tell me that I'm way too spendy. Wait, babes, I'm just too flexy. I got eyes on my chest, that's Fendi. Get to a high class rave with a glass in my hand and I'm still in a tech fleece. My bro got a key, that's a Bentley. Money come nice, get plenty. Got a foreign little baddie in the crew with the face caked up, but you know that's Fenty. Took a snap in the E-class crew, now she tryna ask keys, picking up in the Benz. Come off that flex, man, I'm not tryna flirt, man, you know I'm just friendly.
Good morning, guys. It's Friday today. Early start. It's about 6:30 a.m. And yeah, we're just about to head to the gym. Get a good workout in. And just continue the rest of the day. So, coffee first. Catch you later. So we're back from the gym. Good workout. And it's always good to start the day with a nice workout. Look at this view, guys. This is nice, man. It's beautiful. So anyways, just about to head to the shower and get breakfast. Today a friend of ours should be joining, Julian. We'll introduce you guys. He's another big entrepreneur. And yeah, we'll take you guys along with us. So we're back from breakfast. We've joined by Julian.
Hi.
And another entrepreneur, a very successful one based in Germany. Last time we've seen Julian, last time I saw you was in 2020 in Stuttgart, man.
Maybe, I think later on in Frankfurt.
Yeah, we might have seen each other in Frankfurt, but it's been a long time. So Julian will be spending the day with us, and yeah, we'll just take you through.
Quite nice.
Sometimes I question whether this shit matters. Putting substance into something in the world so used to instant gratification. I found this instrumental on my phone while on vacation.
It's not that
Each
common
cent
you
of
get
the
this
year
weather in
ago or so.
Frankfurt.
I probably heard it before, but slept on it, you know. Shit don't always connect as soon as you press play. At times you gotta step away, do some living. Let time provide a new prescription, giving truer vision. I dibble dabble in a few religions. My homie constantly telling me about Quran, putting me on. I read a few pages and recognize the wisdom in it, but I ain't got the discipline for sticking with it. Now I'm on the way to London, got a show for 7 digits. I'm wondering just when did I become my biggest
How was
critic?
the cigars?
I wanna be my biggest fan,
They are
like how
good.
it was when
They're
didn't nobody know my jam.
Julian, how was
My
your
son said,
cigar?
"Dad, let go my hand."
Perfect.
One day he's
Perfect.
gonna be his own man, and my job is to make sure he's equipped. I gotta make sure he not no bitch, cause niggas bound to try him. If I said I was the toughest growing up, I would be lying. I had a fear of getting punched while everybody eyeing. Add to that a constant fear of dying by gunshot wound or other violent type of endings. I kept a tough demeanor on the surface, but was mostly just pretending. Luckily my bluff was working way more often than not, but sometimes a nigga pull my card, trying to expose me for a fraud.